Pleasant morning to you, the viewers, the subscribers. How you all doing? You know, it's Links 007T to the V. Just touching base with you guys. Hoping that everything is doing well and that you all are doing fine. So it's a beautiful Tuesday morning and it's good to see the start of another day. It's good to be alive as well because, as you know, what's going on around the world, life is not promised to anyone. So when we do wake to see the start of another day, we have to be extremely grateful. And that's the message I just want to bring to you right now, is that life is just a precious thing. And even though at times you feel as if things are not going your way, giving up should not be an option. You should always try your very best to push yourself to that limit. And it's going to be difficult and it's going to seem challenging. And most of the time, it's going to feel as if you want to give up and you want to be that person to not continue with your aspirations or your dream. But guess what? Nothing in life comes easy. And some of the time, we just have to just maintain that focus and that composure and just push ourselves beyond that point. And most of the time, if not all, you will succeed and you will always be that person to have that last laugh in the end. So you just have to just think about that and think about your life as well, and just try to be on that positive part as always and push yourself to greater heights in your dreams and your aspirations, because life is not a bed of roses. And we've seen how life has changed significantly over the years. Life is not like what it was before. Things have gotten so hard, and no matter what you put your mind to, it's not going to come easy. But with that will and that determination, you will succeed. So just try to think about that, think about life, and try be positive in the best possible way as much as you can. And no matter what people might say about you, is when you believe in yourself. That is what is really important. Don't let people dictate to you or try to tell you that you can't achieve it. You must believe in yourself, and you are the one that is going to prove them wrong in the end. When they say you can't, always have that hope and that will within you to show them that you can. And no matter what they say to you, always try to prove them wrong, because people out there at the time, sometimes they're not very supportive of others, right? They will try to turn you down or deter you from what you really want. But you just have to remember that and just know that whatever you put your mind to, you will always achieve it. And despite the circumstances that you face, just put your mind and be blessed. All right, peace out. Links TV.